Hey, howdy, hello, Allison Chainmail here. So, I went to Comic-Con and I wanted to show you all the cool stuff I got. So, let's just jump right into it. We went to the Factory Entertainment booth. My friends told me about this and I was like, we need this. We need it immediately. They have a Velociraptor bottle opener. So of course I had to go. I got one for me and one for my roommate, and these are the Comic-Con exclusive. So they have like this matte finish as opposed to like a shine on them. They both look pretty cool. Oh no, she opened it. Whatever, I want to enjoy what I bought, okay? I can wear it like I'm a Velociraptor. I'm gonna attack somebody. So cool! I guess that part's the bottle opener. We'll figure it out. Oh, t-shirt. Stefan and I went to this booth called Goody Two Sleeves. Some of these are his. I only got one shirt, but I'll show them off anyway. He's a big horror movie fan. So he got a Scream shirt and he got Halloween. And then I got this. It's if you're happy and you know it, clap your, oh, he can't clap because he's a T-Rex. Sad. And then free shit. So yeah, at the Spider Venom panel, they gave us Venom Masks. So we can become Venom. Oh, like that. So we can become Venom. Urgh. I like it. I like it a lot. So, got to see Tom Hardy. He's interesting in person. A little out of it. Maybe he's just had a long day. I don't know. I had wanted to go up and ask questions, but they didn't do a Q&A. I have a lot of ex-male things in my life who seem to really identify a lot with Venom. It's kind of becoming a disturbing pattern. Guess that's the reason why they're all exes, because they identify with a very conflicted individual. So maybe I'll steal clear. Or just become Venom. Join him! I got a little baggage tag. Our guests come with baggage. I was like, I identify with that a lot. I already forgot what this movie's about, but it looked cool when I saw the trailer. Got some kind of beach ball here. Oh, Coraline! I got a Coraline beach ball. Coraline beach ball. Oh, and then I got a Bob's Burgers Fanny Pack. It's so cute. This came in handy at the con because my back hurt a lot. It's really cute. And I had to tuck my phone in it. It was great. I love it. Little Bob's Burgers. And then we went to like, I think it was either DC or I think it was WB. We went to the Warner Brothers booth for like passing out free shit on the last day, and boy did they give us a bunch of garbage. So we got Comic-Con exclusive, I don't even think they're exclusive, I just think they're the Comic-Con covers for TV guides, which I haven't seen a TV guide in years because I don't have television, but they're kind of cool. I guess they're collector's pieces, so that's cool. They gave us Tom and Jerry magnets, the ultimate DC pre-order now, a advertisement brochure. Oh, and this is fun. Charlie and the Chocolate Factory really had to go in the vault for that one, huh? That's old as shit. I think they just went into storage and got us this, because it's just all kinds of Charlie and the Chocolate Factory books and highlighters, which I guess you can't have, you know, enough highlighters. I often use highlighters. I like them, so I guess that's good, you know, useful. And then also they gave us a reading light, which is really nice of them. That way we can read these awful Charlie and the Chocolate Factory books. And also it doesn't even work. Battery's not included, I guess. Alright, so this is all the exclusive free shit. Oh no, a nice little Tom and Jerry ID badge? But hey, why not free stuff? And I guess while we're on the free train, the free bag they give you, I got Supergirl. Yeah, I don't know, I think this side's pretty cool. I got a Supergirl bag. I think they had a couple different kinds. I don't remember what they were, but that one's mine. I don't have the rest of my free stuff from that. I haven't even looked at it yet. I think it's still in Carl's car or something, so I have to go pick that stuff up. I really just think they emptied a storage unit and we're like, we'll give it to them at Comic-Con. They love free things. So another thing that we got, we went to the Kevin Smith panel. They had a Deadpool panel and then they had Kevin Smith, and I wanted to see Kevin Smith because he almost died. He told the whole story of his heart attack, and it was pretty funny. I'm really glad he's so humorous and can find joy out of that. But yeah, he gave us some fans. He's a Kevin Smith fan because we're Kevin Smith fans. And then I was super excited, went to the CYANIDE and Happiness booth, and when I happened to be there, one of the co-founders was there, and he was signing special cards for Joking Hazard, which is one of my favorite games now. So I got this card. I got a chance to say thank you for making me laugh so much over the years. So I got an extra set of special cards because I was getting tired of my cards, and now I've got extra ones that are great. I love it. So, this was all the crazy cool shit I got at Comic-Con. Let me know what your favorite thing is, what you thought was cool. If you went to Comic-Con, tell me about what you got at Comic-Con. Let me know in the comments down below. That was the haul. I'll have to catch you on the flip side.